Reviewing traditional secondary thread handmade thread, it's a complicated process. Wasting time, wasting labor, wasting consumables at the same time. The accuracy of the presentation cannot be guaranteed yet. Then we saw, what's needed now is automated manufacturing to help enterprises achieve quality improvement, efficiency, and cost reduction. Complete digital transformation. So we opened up a path, the road to innovation for secondary smart devices. This LK510 terminal automatic crimping machine, the perfect replacement for the crimp terminals of the hand wire process. LK510 terminal automatic crimping machine. Rotary peeling twist wire through terminal crimp terminal. Done at once. LK510 is suitable for 0.3 square meters to 6.0 square meters. 8 types of wire diameter crimping. Set the line count parameter on the touchscreen. Crimp depth can be set. Regression length, number of turns, rotation direction. Peeling length and depth. Parameters such as line depth. Click to run. Device starts working. Transmission terminal via vibrating disc. Rotary peeling twist wire through terminal crimp terminal. Done at once. Just put the wiring harness into the console. Easy crimping. High efficiency can make 600 lines per hour. It can save to workers.